In this video, you will learn how industrial companies can reduce their electricity costs by up to 30% and how Advangrid's energy management services can help to achieve that. Hi, I'm Oskars, co-founder and CEO of Advangrid. Our company develops smart energy management systems and provides all-inclusive energy management services to industrial customers. We help reduce electricity bills by up to 30% and become more sustainable by reducing energy use and lowering CO2 emissions. So far, our customers have reduced their annual CO2 emissions by up to 27 tons every year. If you're an industrial company interested in lowering your energy bills and reducing your carbon footprint, Advangrid can help. Stick around to learn more about our energy management services and how they can help your business. First, Advangrid's energy management system is proven to help companies reduce electricity costs up to 30%. Our technology monitors electrical infrastructure and identifies energy waste from machine and configuration errors to human factors like light left on when leaving the room. It also helps customers to select the most suitable power capacity and distribution tariff plan and avoid overpaying for reactive energy. Second, we help to monitor the quality of incoming voltage, which can fluctuate and lead to equipment damage and process disruption. Third, our smart energy management system technology simplifies reporting for environmental compliance purposes. As a result, our customers can easily collect, manage and report their energy usage and carbon emissions data. This helps to comply with regulations and demonstrate commitment to sustainability. But best of all, Advangrid provides energy management as a service. This means that at an affordable monthly fee, you get everything you need included, starting from hardware to specific improvement recommendations prepared by our team of analysts. Our technology is used by an increasing number of industrial customers in industries such as wood processing, food production, manufacturing of construction materials, and other industries that are significant consumers of energy. Today, most of our customers are located in our home market, Latvia. However, we are rapidly expanding in other markets such as Poland, Netherlands, Lithuania, and even Saudi Arabia. Because of our deep expertise in energy management, our parallel set of customers is electricity distribution system operators in Latvia, Lithuania, and Switzerland. Visit our website and read case studies about companies such as Accenture, DPD, Orkla, and others. Advangrid's energy management service is available at a monthly fee averaging 600 euros. This includes everything you need: installation of sensors, data analysis software, data analytics, and energy optimization recommendations prepared by our analysts. Let's discuss each component of our services in more detail. Our equipment is designed to be easy to install and use. Innovative sensor design allows for simple clip-on installation, which takes only 15 to 20 minutes. Importantly, sensors are entirely wireless, so installation does not require power disconnection and will not disrupt your daily processes. We use LoRaWAN wireless technology to ensure hassle-free data transmission over broad areas. Most industrial customers have personnel who can install the sensors themselves. However, for those who need assistance, our partner companies will do the installation anywhere in Europe. Our web-based software allows customers to remotely monitor their energy usage on any device and get insights into what is happening in their factory. Custom notifications allows companies to react in real time and make changes before issues become bigger problems. Increasing numbers of customers use Advangrid's energy management software to audit and report their energy usage and comply with legislation such as ISO 14001 and ISO 50001 requirements. Probably the most essential component of our services is the work of our analysts. We provide various data analysis levels depending on specific needs, from relatively simple energy consumption balancing to sophisticated analysis of specific equipment or processes. Customers receive a monthly action list pinpointing specific areas of improvement and demonstrating cost-saving opportunities. The first step is to schedule a free consultation call to allow us to explore the situation and prepare the most appropriate offer. Once the offer is accepted, we'll prepare a contract and arrange for sensor installation. After installation, we remotely configure the hardware from our headquarters in Riga, Latvia, and the data about energy usage is available immediately. Our affordable business model provides the customers the most cost-effective energy management solution. Instead of upfront investment in equipment, customers sign a 12-month service agreement and pay a fixed monthly fee starting at 500 euros. This fee includes hardware, software and consultation services, providing a complete solution for one monthly payment. After installing the equipment, we spend the first month auditing the current situation. Therefore, it typically takes 2 to 4 months to gather sufficient data to discuss improvements with our clients. Over time, our recommendations may include proposing changes in the infrastructure on the factory floor to deliver the efficiency gains we have discovered. Thank you for watching this short video. With Advangrid's smart energy management services, reducing your energy costs is easy and truly affordable. Take the first step towards energy efficiency today. Visit our website and book a free consultation call. Let's work together to optimize energy usage and reduce carbon footprint.